Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 50% gain in SPY within 2 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPY. In this play, I've detected the movement of the big money placement of a bearish trade in the coming week. Big money is expecting some market weaknesses. Thus, I piggyback on this big money trade. Entry is on 30th January with exit on 1st February. After knowing big money movement, there are many ways that I can choose to trade it. For shares buyers, they can hold on to their purchase of shares. This will save them from buying into a market that is coming down. For CFD players, they can short S&P 500. For option sellers, they can choose to enter a bear call spread. For option buyers, they can buy into puts, put verticals, butterflies, or even broken wing butterflies. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade. There's entry price of 99 cents and exit price of $1.50. Knowing the big money movement plays a very crucial part in my trading success. A nice 50% gain for this trade within 2 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 30th January with exit on 1st Feb. Entry price is 99 cents with exit price of $1.50. This trade has achieved a 50% gain within 2 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.